But you can ask. Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out.
Go in with my Morphe eyebrow pencil. This is the micro brow pencil in the color Cold Brew. Smoothie break. Extremely refreshing. So now that that's done, I like to take the spoolie part of the brow duo thing, and I like to use my Tresemme hairspray, and it just makes the hairs more defined, and it makes my brows stay for mad long. So I like to use that. I'm going in with my e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Neutral Tan, or Tan Neutral. Done, I like to go in with my face powder. This is what I use for like bronzing. Normally I go in with my Ruby Kisses Chestnut powder foundation. And I like to direct some of the products to the bridge of my nose, like right here. This is a major key that I like to do because it gives me like, it starts off my nose contour, if that makes sense.
Yeah, tension between us just like big fences. You got issues that are.
All right, y'all. So now that that's done, we're about to get into some things. Like, I'm about to put y'all on to the little secret, the little cheat codes that I've learned just along doing my makeup. So I've already went in and did my skincare routine. That's why the skin is on glow. That's why I just did my skincare routine. So everything is looking pretty glowy, if you ask me, and the skin is looking good. You have to know your skin type. I know that I get oily, and I get oily in my T-zone, and I can experience like creasing under my eyes, and I found that doing this little method has helped a lot with that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is I'm taking my, I think this is my Revolution banana powder, and that's what I'm gonna be going in with in a minute. I'm gonna be taking the Revolution Mattify Matte and Fix Primer with their Sport Fix spray. So I have the Sport Fix spray in a smaller bottle because the cap broke, but I'm gonna be spraying it on my face at first. I'm gonna go in with the primer, and then I'm gonna go ahead and powder underneath my eyes and my nose. And y'all, this has helped me so much, the longevity of my makeup. Like, I've noticed that ever since I started doing it this way, my makeup literally lasts so long.
Listen, harder building trust from a distance. I think we should rule out.
So I take some powder on my little powder puff. I got these from Amazon. I'll link it in the description box. I love these for setting.
You're just doing that to get even. Don't pick up the pieces, just leave it.
So I just got done applying my powder. At this point, you should be looking casket ready. You should be looking fried out and laid to the side. Like, you should be looking pale and white. So once I have that under control, I go in with that same mattifying setting spray, or that sport fix setting spray, whatever it's called. And then I go into foundation. So I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place Velvet Matte Foundation. Now, this is one of the products that I used in my first makeup video that I did for you guys. And that was the first time I had used it. And I have not used another foundation since. And that was like a year ago, I believe. This foundation is amazing. I love it. The shade range is amazing. The coverage is amazing. Like, it's a 10 out of 10 for me.
First time in a long time. Hurting deeply inside.
But you guys don't see me putting it like directly underneath my eyes. I try to put the smallest amount of foundation possible in that area, just because I'm already gonna go back and put concealer on, so I don't want like too much product in that area. But it does get on there, especially because I put too much on the side. But I just try not to direct a lot of that product in that area.
I wanna make you feel the way though, so that's true. I take it. Just tell me it can't be that crazy. Even if it is that crazy, baby, I'll take it. I'm on you, I know you're not a lady. Not you. Oh, save it. Don't waste your time. Cause I'm wavy, I'm saying things that I don't mean, that I do mean, that I don't want.
Normally, I'll put it on my chin, but I think it makes my chin look bigger when I do that. Like, I think it makes my chin look bigger and gives me a crimson chin.
Won't you get my mind? I'm supposed to be in your mind for the first time, all time. First time in a long time. Hurting deeply inside. First time in a long time. Hurting deeply. Yeah. Hey.
So now I want to go ahead and start blending out my concealer, but I'm going to spray some of that Sport Fix spray, just a little bit. I used to be a beauty blender girl. I used to always use a beauty blender to blend out my foundation, my concealers, everything. To blend out like liquid products, no. Or like cream products, I will always use a beauty blender. Then I got introduced to brushes, and I really like the way brushes make your makeup look. I think it makes it look really good. But I saw this TikTok of somebody talking about using a dry beauty blender. I always used to wet my beauty blender, but they were talking about a dry one, and I was like, but I saw them do it and it came out really nice. I was like, ooh, it looked very airbrushed. So I've been playing around with it, and I'm trying to figure out what's the best way to do it to achieve the looks that I want to achieve, because I do feel like, you know, I still want to look airbrush, but I still want to look bead. So I've been kind of like alternating. So I'll blend it out with my brush, and then I'll just go back in with a dry beauty blender just to kind of smooth everything out and make it look a little bit more seamless. To blend this out right here under the eyes, I'm just going in and taking my brush and blending out the bottom of the concealer.
You got something real not base. Why is this so far, man? You wanna get with me, stop.
And I'm blending it into my nose as well. I'm also blending it up into my tear duct area. So you see how it's kind of like a circle right here around my tear duct? I take my brush and just carve it out like this and blend it up into the eyeshadow. Oh my god, major. What that does is, like, number one, I feel like it brings out my nose contour even more. And I feel like it just makes my eyes look so irresistible. Like, look into my eyes. I feel like it just wakes the eyes up and it just makes it look complete. I'm gonna take my beauty blender, my dry beauty blender. So everything is blended out and everything looks really good. We already look good. So to look even better, we have to put some blush. So I'm gonna be using the e.l.f. Putty blush, and this is in the shade Tahiti.
Looking for some things that I think that I can find.
So all of our cream products are placed and we're looking gorgeous. Like, we really are looking very pretty. I already know. Are you serious? I have my AirPod in this whole time. Are you kidding me? I cannot believe myself. I sold. Oh my god. Okay. So we're gonna go in and we're setting the under eyes first. I'm gonna go in and blend it out underneath my eyes again one more time, just so that I can make sure that there's no creases before I go in and set. And then I like to go in on top of that with my chestnut by Ruby Kisses. Y'all already know the deal. This is what we put on our eyes earlier. And I'm gonna lightly. All right guys, so now that everything is out the way, we did everything that we needed to do. We're gonna use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Setting Mist. I like to do this just because I did use a lot of mattifying products, so it's nice to just bring some hydration back into the face. But we are gonna follow it up with the Sport Fix by Revolution. And I'm gonna take my beauty blender . So for the lip combo, oh, I love a good lip combo, girl. Love a good lip combo. We're going in with Kiss Luxury Intense Lip Liner. Now I'm taking this very much of a mystery lipstick. I've had this lipstick for years. It's probably expired. Ooh, it is probably expired, girl. There's no lipstick left, like barely. But I still be making it work. It's just kind of like a peachy, pinky type of nude. Yeah, just a little nude. Just a little nude moment. We just need a foundation. So we're going to be taking Wild Rose. It is a lip lacquer by e.l.f. All right, and then we're gonna take Peach Bellini. It's a plumping lip gloss from e.l.f. Love this color. Mixed with this color. So cute. I'm still here. I'm still here. I had to make sure my lip liner was still there, still showing. Ooh. Ooh, this hair is so pretty. Thank you, Wiggins Hair. Check out my other video. But yeah, now I'm just gonna add this NYX Filler Instinct. It's like a lip plumping. I love a lip plumping. I like to feel the burn. Like the little tingle would be feeling good to me. I don't know. All right, you guys. So here is the completed look. This is the final beat. This is what we came up with. Super pretty. I think it's like a really subtle naked beat. Like it's not too crazy. It definitely gives like, let's go to brunch, let's go to dinner, let's go anywhere, let's go to Walmart, let's go wherever you want to go. Like, this is my go-to beat. This is how I do makeup all the time. If I do my makeup, this is how I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna stick beside it. It's tried and true. It lasts for hours. It's giving. So if you guys like this video, let me know in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let me know what you guys want to see in the comments below. And I will see you guys in the next one.